15 ways to say thank you in English. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for helping me today. Thanks a lot for the delicious food. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton for the birthday gift. Thanks a ton for driving me home. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks so much for calling me back. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your kindness. I'm truly grateful. I'm really grateful to you for your help. I'm truly grateful for everything you've done. I owe you one. Meaning, I'm thankful, and I'll return the favor in the future. You helped me out big time. I owe you one. You saved me today. I really owe you one. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for being there. It means a lot to me. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough for your support. I can't thank you enough. You saved the day. You made my day. The surprise gift really made my day. Your kind words made my day. Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Thanks for fixing my laptop. You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver for picking me up on time. That was very thoughtful of you. That was very thoughtful of you. It was very thoughtful of you to bring snacks. That was very thoughtful of you. Thank you for remembering. I couldn't have done it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks a lot. I couldn't have done it without you helping me. You're the best. You're the best for helping me again. You brought me coffee? You're the best. Many thanks. Many thanks for the advice. Many thanks for the lovely cake. I'm thankful for you. I'm really thankful for you and everything you do. I'm so thankful for you and your kindness.